Hello and welcome to the Complete React.js Bootcamp. My name is Mohammed Khan and I'll be instructor for this course. In this course, we will be learning everything right from the basics to advanced topics like React plus Redux. First off, we will learn what is React.js, why should we learn React.js, and all of the basics. Then we will learn advanced topics like React hooks, conditional rendering, React router, working with REST API, working with React forms, applying styles to React components, and context API with functional components. And after learning each topic, we will be doing a hands-on project like counter project, login project, to-do list, Pokemon API website, and many other small websites. And after learning all of these things, we will learn about Redux and how to connect React and Redux together for state management. And by the end of this section, we'll be making a very big CRUD application, create, read, update, and delete website, contact book website, which will look similar to this one. And that's not it. We will also learn what are middlewares in React Redux, and we'll be making a project that will fetch data from a real API with the help of middlewares in React Redux. So what are you waiting for, mate? Join now and I'll see you all in the course. Goodbye.